do you get when you buy the myFirst Fone M1? Let's unbox myFirst's latest GPS smartwatch for the budget-conscious parent. The M1 is packed with many of the same safety features as the other myFirst watches, but is missing some nice-to-haves, like a heart rate sensor. The box comes with a charging cable, fun stickers, as always, paperwork, a SIM card tool, and the M1 smartwatch itself. That's right, this has a physical SIM card you can switch out if you like, but it comes included in the box. Connect the watch to the myFirst Circle app with the QR code, and you're ready to go. Starting with the gorgeous AMOLED screen. Nothing budget about this bright, colorful, crispy display. The M1 comes equipped with an MP3 player, which holds 1,500 songs. It also has myFirst Circle, where kids can connect with approved contacts. One way is to post pics directly from your watch, add filters and voice messages, and share with everyone on your circle. Oh, personalization is huge on the M1. Change the system theme and add your favorite wallpaper. Aw, look at Mino.
You can even make your selfie your wallpaper. The Fone M1 feels premium, looks amazing, and performs fast, all at a pretty reasonable price. You're gonna love the Fone M1.